So no hesitation, no frustrated, no demotivated. Focus on your goal. You have to focus only one goal. Never ever give up. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good time to all of you. How are you, hoof and fit and fine? Thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my topic. So once again, my name is Masum Billah. I come from Kumilla. I'm proud member of the class 2 to 4 batch. I'm honored to be standing in front of the camera and in front of lots of people. Every day I will try to practice spoken English. My all of the educational background, madrasa education. It's you hardworking if you want to success. So I know lots of the missed sentence because it's my first month. Today my topic is Salam. The Salam is more important. So what is Salam? Salam is Arabic word. It is a good word. Salam is so important. Because little word but so powerful. When I say Salam, I am giving peace to you. So Salam is Arabic word. Is what meaning of peace. The Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala asked the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Ayyul Islam, who is the best person in Islam? The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam replied that Afsus Salam, he is the best person. Any first taking your Salam. So Salam is so important. Why should say Salam? Everyone can say Salam. Young people, little people, boys and girls, doesn't matter. When I enter my dormitory, I should say Salam. When I enter my English therapy and also class, I should say Salam. When I enter my house, I should say Salam. Because Salam is one kind of good habit. Salam is what kind of dua. Salam is also Sunnah. So my advice to all of you, say Salam everywhere, every time. In school, in dormitory, not matter. Because Salam is one kind of love. So maybe it makes people heaviness. It makes people close up. It takes away. So Salam is, one Salam can bring a smile. So because my background is madrasa educational background, it's one kind of share. It's best environment in English therapy. There is no doubt on it because lots of the English center is available in our country. But English therapy is provided is our environment. Because environment is more important learning English. English is what kind of language, not subject. It's not hard, it's not easy. Consistency is more important. Every day I am talk to you, practice, listening, reading, writing, 1 hour. So it is my consistency, my determination. So lastly, I want to say that all of everything. So no hesitation, no frustrated, no demotivated. Focus on your goal. You have to focus only one goal. Never ever give up. So doesn't matter. Lastly, I want to say that I don't care you are good or bad. You respect me, I will respect you. So thank you so much. This is my first video in English therapy. So pray for me and pray for us. Okay, bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.